in fact, it's a maiden edition, and we want to introduce to you the newest programming language that was developed by Google, right? And the name is that. Yes, that. In fact, I would even talk about Python and the difference between that and then Python, right? So that is actually primary language that we use to build applications with Flutter, right? A framework for creating mobile application, web, desktop, embedded apps, right, on Android and iOS, right, to be precise. So that, and it's from a single code base, right? So that is so we delve deeper into that. Python programming is also a high level for general purpose programming that was also created by Guido van Rossum and is widely used in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, web development, automation, scripting, and back end, right? So now let's go to the differences between that and uh, that of. So let's start with that. So yes, uh-huh. So currently now, okay. So this is actually, let me take this one off, and then let's do a little bit of programming in that. So let's print hello world. Right, this is our first day, so we want to do some simple stuff, and then later on we actually build more. Um, we build a lot more, right? So you want to print hello world, so print uh, parenthesis hello world, print here. So let's say print hello world, and then remember in that all the time you need to also bring a semicolon, and then you have to run it, right? So that is it. So you see, that has a very, so you see, this is a that programming, and that's that programming. Okay, so now let's do the Python. Python is a straightforward programming. So that one you just do parent hello world. Right. Remember your parenthesis is very, very important. Right. So hello world. Right. And then let me just bring some exclamation mark. No need for semicolon. And I'll run it here as well. And you see it's also hello world. So it's that's kind of different though. So with that, you definitely would have to start your coding or your project or whatever you want to do with avoid me, right? That's the first command you would have to do. And we will learn all about functions, right? So these are things that we learn about functions, loops, we learn structures and all stuffs, right, in our upcoming video. And this is a very short one, and to just introduce to you what that is and what that can be used for. And I told you that can be used for applications and UI development, but Python is best for data automation and backend systems. So that is it. Thank you all for tuning into my channel. We will get ready for our next video, which we'll be talking about. We'll be delving more into that, what that is, that programming, loops, and then the types of loops as well, and functions. Right. Thank you all. Have a nice day and enjoy the day. Goodbye.